evening, everyone. Once again, I, Pooja Vora, content writer at Yep Education, welcome you all. I'm so happy to see so many students joining us today. Welcome to the Stu Code Future Skills Boot Camp 2026. And before we begin, let's meet our future creators. Hello, future creators. So let's see who is here. Type in the chat your name plus class, one app you use every day, and type yes if you love games. Take your time and write it down all of these things in one go. So Bhagya Pandey 6 class, please write down everything, beta. Your name plus class, one app you use every day, and type yes if you love games. Read the questions carefully. What are the requirements? And then answer. Ranvijay Singh, class 5th A, scratch, good, and yes. Harman Singh, class 7th, Jolingo, yes, very good. Google. Advika is saying Google. She's using Google. Tanvisha Kumar, class 3rd, YouTube, yes, love the game, very good. Ravleen Kaur, 7th A, Litra Hub, yes. Dhyarya Tyagi, 5 Minecrafts, very good. And he's also writing yes because I know everybody loves games. Okay, Arav is saying he's using WhatsApp. Dhruvi, grade 6, YouTube. Okay, Advika Goel is saying that she is not liking the games. Bhavya Ramesh, class 7th B. Okay, Advit Kumar has used PowerPoint. Rehab, very good. Shirjeet Singh Tawar, class 3rd, Dolingo, okay. Hardik, class 5th. So all the students from class 3 to 8 have joined, very nice. Okay. Aradhya, class 6th, A, I left Chat GPT, okay. Very nice. Sampurn Srivastava is saying Google Gemini, and yes, he loves games too. Ishan, class 7th, YouTube, yes. Very nice, very nice. So thank you very much for your quick responses. It was just a small check that you all are participating well or not, or you all are active or not. Okay, just write it down. How many of you are attending this session for the first time with me? My question is that have you attended my 2025 sessions, or you are with me for the very first time? So you write yes if you have already attended my sessions last year, and write no if this is your first time with me. So I just want to know how many of you already aware. Yes, so many students are writing yes. Okay, I have to rush quickly. There are so many students. My chat is going to overload first times. No, this is my very first time. Okay, so many of you are writing yes too. Very good. I'm really very happy that new students have also joined this year. Good. Fine. I'll promise you all are going to enjoy this session with me today. Okay. So stop typing now. So let's begin with our webinar and listen to me carefully. So over the next few weeks, we are going to explore some really exciting things together. We will create games, we will learn about artificial intelligence, design creative projects, build animations, and even write our own code. But before we learn all these tools, we need to learn something even more important. We need to learn how smart thinkers think. We have to become smart thinkers first, and that journey starts today. Before we begin our learning journey, let me tell you a little about the team behind this program. At YEP Education, we believe that learning should prepare students not just for exams, but for the future. That's why We create computer books and learning resources that combine technology, creativity, problem solving, artificial intelligence, coding, and future ready skills. Our books are designed by experts and aligned with CBSE and NCRT, NEP 2020, and NCF 23 guidelines so that students learn the right way and the right skills. But our biggest goal is very, very simple. We want every student to become a confident thinker, creator, and problem solver. These skills are very, very much required for the future. And this Stu Code bootcamp is one step towards the goal. Over the next few weeks, we are not just going to learn technology, we are going to learn how to think, how to create, invent, and solve problems like future leaders. So, let's have the program highlights. These are the bar books. Then, now let me show you what makes this boot camp special. This is not going to be a session where you watch. You will participate. You will think. You will answer. You will create. So, and by the end of the program, you will have your own projects and experiences to share. This is our learning journey, our Stu Code learning journey. Week 1, week 2, week 3, and week 4. This is our roadmap. Think of this as our adventure map. Today, we start with the computational thinking. Next, I'm counting the next week as a first week because today is just an introduction session for you, all of you, that what we will do during these 9 sessions. Plus, we are going to start the computational thinking today only. In the very first week, we are going to talk about the CT, computational thinking, how AI thinks, and CT in real life. Then we move to the Scratch and animation session. After that, we will explore few AI tools and learn creativity. After that, we will explore and final AI creativity and a Canva. And finally, we will enter into the exciting world of Python coding. So every week, we will unlock a new skill. So stay tuned with us during these 9 sessions in the month of June. I promise you are going to learn so many things with us. Fine. So imagine yourself 1 month from now. You will not just know new technology. You will know how to think differently. You will become a smart thinker. You will become an AI explorer. You will become a creator. You will become a beginner coder. And trust me, these skills that will help you throughout your life. You are not going to prepare these skills for your upcoming exams or class 12th exams or graduation or post graduation and the higher education. These are life skills. These are going to stay with you for entire your life. Fine. So let's begin. And there is one more exciting thing waiting for all of you here. Get your certificate after the session. At the end of our learning journey, every student who participates in the boot camp will receive a certificate of participation. So make sure you attend the session, take part in the activities, answer questions in the chat, and enjoy the learning process. Fine. Give me a thumbs up if all these things are making you exciting. Give me a thumbs up. Thank you very much for your lovely emojis. And I am glad you are happy with this. Thank you very much. Thank you. Next, let's move further. So it's a time for quick poll. Which topic are you most excited for? Write A for AI, B for games, C for animation, D for Python, and E for Canva. So we'll find it out. Let's find it out what our future creators are excited about. Okay, I'm getting the answers in the chat. D. Okay, somebody's writing D for Python. A is for AI and Python. Okay. D, G, A. I'm getting A. Sukriti saying A, B, C, D, E. Very good, Sukriti Jan. Bhavishya is also saying all. Ran Vijay is excited for games. Okay, C, A, B, G, A, B, and E. P who is saying A, B, and E. Okay, AI, games, and Canva. Very good. So everybody is responding. Very good. Games, B, A for AI. I'm getting A so many times. AI and Canva. Okay, somebody is writing that, ma'am, I'm also designing a game. Very good. And some Harsh is writing, ma'am, I'm also developing an app. Very good. So I have all future creators with me in the meeting. C for animation. Very good, very good. So my chat box is going to overload. I have 330 new messages to read. Nice, nice, nice. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. So I think look like A is already very popular and games are also very popular. So everybody is very much excited for all these things. So this is the hot topic for all of us. Very good, very good. Okay, so let's begin. Now let's have a quick chat activity again. Let me quickly rush to the bottom of the chat so that I can read your new messages quickly. Okay, now let's see this. How do you get ready for school every morning? Let's think about it. Do you jump directly into school? No, not exactly. So you follow some steps, you follow some rules for that. Hena, Dolly is quickly answering, waking up. Let's wait. Let me ask the question first. Let me talk to you. Okay, you follow steps, take the correct order of procedure. So what you need to do in this activity, you have to arrange these steps in the correct order. One answer, one student. Fine. You write it down all the steps, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like this. Fine. So I'm giving you 1 minute to write it down. Harsh has already responded that wake up, brush teeth, get dressed, eat breakfast, pack bags, go to school. Very good. Okay, everybody's writing the wake up is the first step. Just quickly write it down all the steps. Don't write this wake up only or this. Write all the steps. Okay, I have already received the complete. I will only take the name of the student, those who are writing the complete answers. Pihu Bansal has given me the right answer. Wake up, brush teeth, get dressed, pack bags, eat breakfast, go to school. Very good. So I'm going to read those answers which are complete. Adrika Pandey has given wake up, brush teeth, eat breakfast, pack bag, get dressed, go to school. Very good. And Gaurav Sharma is also responding. Wake up, brush teeth, get dressed, eat breakfast, pack bags, go to school. Very nice. Arohi is writing the correct answer. Ran Vijay has responded. Very nice, very nice. So you all know that we follow some steps to complete a task. So first of all, we have to wake up and I'll just write it down. I'll use a pen here. So the very first step will be wake up in the morning. Then all of you are saying to brush teeth, then get dressed. Might be some are eating the breakfast first. So no issues in that. Somebody is packing their bags first and then get dressed up. And finally, we are moving and we are going to school. So we are daily, we are following a procedure step by steps to complete our task. So what is happening here? I hope my screen is visible to you all. You just use computational thinking. What you have done, you have just used computational thinking and even you don't even know what it is. I know when you heard about the computational thinking word, that sounds a little difficult. Ki computational thinking might be a bigger thing, but Mind me, this is a very, very, very simple thing that we come across daily. Daily, we are following these steps. We are just making it now structured only. But if you will keep this thing in your mind that we will follow these steps, you will be able to solve your problems in a very much organized way. Fine. Okay. So computational thinking means solving problems in a smart and organized way. So, what is computational thinking all about? Computational thinking is solving problem in a smart and organized way. ठीक है, कई बार क्या होता है स्कूल में जब आपको मैम एक प्रोजेक्ट देते हैं, ठीक है, उसी प्रोजेक्ट को करने के लिए कुछ बच्चों को समझ ही नहीं आता कहाँ से स्टार्ट करें, और कई बच्चे उसको तब तक करके भी आ जाते हैं। तो मैम यही कहते हैं ना कि वेरी गुड, आप तो बहुत स्मार्ट हो, आपने तो फटाफट कर लिया ये काम। सो मीन्स उस बच्चे की थिंकिंग स्किल्स, प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग स्किल्स, या जिस तरीके से वो प्रॉब्लम को देख रहा है, वो बहुत ही स्मार्टली उसको ऑब्जर्व कर रहा है, उसको सोच रहा है कि कैसे इस प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व किया जाए। बट द रेस्ट ऑफ द पर्सन जो बहुत सारी चीजों को एक साथ देखते हैं, तो उनके लिए वो प्रॉब्लम बड़ी हो जाती है। सो बेटर होता है बड़ी प्रॉब्लम को छोटे 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 टास्क में हम उसको डिवाइड करें और उसको सॉल्व करें। सो दैट्स व्हाई वी से कि प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग इज, we need a smartness in solving a problem. Now I want to ask you something. Have you ever solved a puzzle? Say yes if you have ever solved a puzzle. I know so many of you are playing the puzzles. I'm just quickly. यस, सो मेनी ऑफ यू हैव सॉल्व द पजल। तो क्या करते हैं पजल्स में हम लोग कि हम छोटे छोटे स्टेप्स होते हैं उसमें, हम उसको पजल को सॉल्व करते हैं, उनको मैच करते हैं, पैटर्न फॉलो करते हैं। सो दैट इज, देयर ऑल्सो वी रिक्वायर्ड अ कॉम्पिटिशनल थिंकिंग। If you will plan a birthday party, even there you need a computational thinking. I'm sure you all have done that. Now think about it. Do you know everything at once? आप सारी चीजों को एक साथ सोच सकते हो? नहीं, हम नहीं सोच सकते। वी नीड टू फॉलो सम स्टेप्स। उन्हीं स्टेप्स को ही अगर हम प्रॉपरली फॉलो करते हैं, सो दैट बिकम्स द कॉम्पिटिशनल थिंकिंग स्किल्स। यू थॉट अबाउट दैट प्रॉब्लम, व्हाट टू डू फर्स्ट, कि पहले क्या करना है, व्हाट टू डू नेक्स्ट, and what to do after that. If you will keep this thing in your mind, that is exactly where computational thinking begins. Many students think computational thinking means learning computers or coding. A big no to it. A big, 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 big no to it. Computational thinking doesn't mean only which is related something to the computers, to the coding. No. Computational thinking is simply a smart way of solving problems. A smart way is problem solving. It helps us to take a big problem, understand it, organize it, and find an easier way to solve it. ठीक है, कई बार आपको लगता है कि ये बहुत बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है, लेकिन आपके फ्रेंड ने बोला अरे ये तो कुछ भी नहीं है, मैंने तो बिल्कुल ऐसे ही कर ली है प्रॉब्लम, इसमें कुछ है ही नहीं, आप ये काम करो और आपकी प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो जाएगी। सो व्हाट दे आर टेलिंग यू द स्टेप्स टू डू दैट। They have broken down the problem into smaller parts and they find out an easy way to solve it. Let's take an example, quick example from your daily life or from your family or home itself. Imagine your room is very messy. Just write it down. Yes, किस किस के कमरे अभी messy हो रखे? Write it down. Yes. किस किस को अपने आसपास थोड़ा सा भी mess दिख रहा है? Vipender is saying no. Shora is saying yes. Bhavya is saying yes. Abir is saying yes. Okay. Vihan is saying yes. Somebody is saying no. It's very clean. Very good. So there are so many students जिनके आसपास जो है वो mess उनको दिख रहा है. Toys are everywhere. Books are scattered. Clothes are lying around. Would you just stand there and say to your mama, oh no, this is impossible. I can't do it. I can't clean all that mess. And you are going to ask your mother, Mama, please come and help me out on this. You say, this is impossible. I can't do this. But if you will follow rules, if you will follow some steps, you will be able to do that work quickly. ठीक है ना? अभी जैसे अभी हम डिस्कस कर रहे हैं, तो इस सेशन के बाद एवरीबडी इज गोइंग टू क्लीन देयर रूम। जिन्होंने यस यस लिखा है ना, जिनका रूम क्लीन नहीं है, तो अभी जाकर अपना क्लीन करेंगे। कैसे करेंगे? अरेंज योर बुक्स फर्स्ट, ठीक है ना? फर्स्ट अरेंज योर बुक्स, देन पिक अप योर टॉयज फर्स्ट, यू मस्ट बी हैविंग अ प्लेस जहां पर आपको टॉयज रखने हैं. देन फोल्ड द क्लोथ्स, देन क्लीन द टेबल and see what happened. If you will follow these steps right now, you broke one big problem of your messy room into smaller tasks and your room will be cleaned. और आपको इतना अच्छा लगेगा उसके बाद कि oh, I have done that. Even your mother is going to say, oh, I'm surprised. ये कैसे किया और क्या किया मैम? मैं तो वेबिनार देखा था कॉम्पिटिशनल थिंकिंग का और उन्होंने मुझे सिखा दिया रूम कैसे क्लीन करना है. वेरी नाइस, है ना? सो कॉम्पिटिशनल थिंकिंग इज नॉट अबाउट कंप्यूटर्स, इट्स लाइफ स्किल एंड इज गोइंग टू हेल्प यू थ्रू आउट योर लाइफ. आज नहीं तो जब आप हॉस्टल में जाओगे, वहां जाओगे, वहां पर भी क्लीनिंग रूम होगा. एंड somebody is writing, मैम आई एम इन वेकेशन recent, आई एम इन होटल रूम, सो ऑल थिंग्स इज क्लीन. वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. एंड आदित्य सिंह, मैम हाउ यू नो? अच्छा, मुझे सब पता है बच्चों का. ओके, सो दैट्स स्मार्ट थिंकिंग. फाइन. विपेंद्र इज सेइंग आई जस्ट डिड दैट. वेरी गुड. मतलब काम करते करते हो गया. मम्मा तो आज बहुत खुश हो जाएंगी. एंड व्हाट्स दैट computational thinking teaches us? In fact, every inventor, every scientist, every game designer, every coder, every AI system use computational thinking to solve the problem. Fine. The best part is that you already use it without even realizing it. Fine. So whenever you plan, you organize, you solve a problem, you follow a step, you are using computational thinking. Congratulations. So today let's discover how all of us are already computational thinkers. थोड़ा सा और समझते हैं. Not आज के चैप्टर्स में पिलर के ऊपर थोड़ा सा हम कम करेंगे, हम थोड़ा कम डिस्कस करेंगे, बट वी विल डिस्कस कि हम कैसे उसको यूज कर रहे हैं ऑलरेडी इन आवर लाइफ. And just like every superhero has special powers, so computational thinking also have four pillars, special powers. अगर आप special powers को master कर लोगे, capture कर लोगे, nobody can, you are going to like blast. Fine. So and these four pillars of CT. So let's meet them here. Decomposition, pillar number 2, pattern recognition, abstractions and algorithm. I know थोड़े से words difficult है, but जब आप इनके अंदर involve होगे, इनको समझोगे, so they are very, very easy. And today we are only going to explore the first superhero, that is a decomposition. In the next session, next Friday, we are going to unlock the powers of all the pillars here and we will discuss it very well. Fine. Karthik is saying, I know about algorithm. Very good. If you know about the algorithm, in the next class or the future session, we will discuss it in details. So today's our mission is decomposition. Fine. Any idea about the decomposition? Just write it down in chat. Any idea? That idea तो मिल ही गया होगा. यहाँ पे लिख दिया मैंने, break big problems into small parts. So that is decomposition. Okay, fragments. Break big problems into smaller ones. Rahab is saying. Ronak is saying break. Manas is saying something which is decreased. Shaul Chawla, no ma'am, I don't know. Okay, we'll let you know. Aditya is saying breaking into smaller fragments. Decomposition means the break down the problem into smaller units. Dolly, yes. When we make a big problem to easy one, very good. Yes, Manas is saying into smaller parts. Yes, so this thing is clear to you. If I'm talking about the decomposition, means we have to break something. हमें तोड़ना है उसको छोटे 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 टास्क में, and then we will be able to complete our bigger task. Fine. Okay, let's move. CT डिटेक्टिव चैलेंज. अब देखते हैं कॉम्पिटिशनल डिटेक्टिव कौन बनता है. कैन यू फाइंड कॉम्पिटिशनल थिंकिंग इन योर सब्जेक्ट्स, स्कूल सब्जेक्ट्स? Okay, so which of these subjects use computational thinking? Write it down. Okay, somebody's writing maths. Ayushi is writing maths. Riyansha is writing maths. Pranav is writing maths. Okay, Anvesha is writing all of them. Kushi is writing all of them. Gargi is writing, acha, she's giving the answer to. Vihan is writing maths and science. Maths, okay. Social science, somebody is writing. Social science, all of these, very good. Rehab is saying all of these. Bala is saying science. Pallavi is saying science. Maths, okay. SST and science, all of the subjects, yes. So many of you are saying maths तो सभी बोल रहे हैं maths, arts, but do you know that actually all the subjects. When I'm saying that computational thinking is not about computer, coding, math, something, it's a life skill. So when it is a life skill, it is it's everywhere. Fine. So now I'm going to prove it also. All of them. Computational thinking is not a computer topic. It is a life skill. So we use it in maths, we use it in English, we use it in science, we use it in social science, we use it in arts, we use it in sports. Everywhere we are using computational thinking. Fine. So this is all of these. All of them. All of them are using computational thinking in one or another way. So let's find it out. How? If I'm saying we used it, but I need to prove this to you, all of you, that how it is happening. Let me give you a clear picture of the decomposition first. So big problem into small parts. This is the first secret of every smart problem solver. कोई भी problem आएगी आपको सबसे पहले यही काम करना है, that you have to decompose that problem into small parts. So let's unlock the first superpower of CT, that is decomposition. Let's see. If I'm talking about daily life CT, so suppose there is a making a burger. So can you make a burger by throwing everything together? Can you make the burger like this? So how will you prepare a burger? Are these steps fine, or do you follow any other way out? So we take the bun first, then we'll put the patty, then veggies and sauce, and then we assemble it together properly in sequence. So that becomes our burger. अच्छा, just think of it. किचन में बहुत बार जाते होगे. अब now I have taken an example here, so I'm talking in terms of cooking. So can you give me another example of cooking a dish where decomposition is required? So means mama is also using the computational thinking right now? Not you, even your mama is using? Yes, sandwich preparation, making a roti, sandwich, making chapati. Very nice. Bun patty, fine. Oh. There it is running. All the dishes, pie in tea making. Very good. So means mama is also using computational thinking. Very good. है ना? आज मम्मा को भी बोलना, मम्मा आपकी अगर मम्मा खाना, सबके मम्मा खाना बहुत अच्छा बनाते हैं, आई नो, तो उनको अप्रिशिएट करना कि मम्मा आपकी कॉम्पिटिशनल थिंकिंग बहुत अच्छी है ना? कि आप बहुत अच्छे से खाना बनाते हो, स्टेप बाय स्टेप खाना बनाते हो और बहुत बढ़िया से खाना बनता है ना? चलो, ठीक है, ओके. Let's begin to the other part of the computational thinking, that how computational thinking we are using in maths and English. Like suppose in maths, there is a long division. When we are solving long divisions, do we solve everything together? Are we doing it? No. We are dividing hundreds, then we are divide tens, then ones. So that is a decomposition. वी आर डूइंग इट फाइन. अगर आपको वर्ड प्रॉब्लम आती है, वर्ड प्रॉब्लम में आप लिखते हो वहां पर कि कौन कौन सी चीजें गिवन है, देन यू फाइंड आउट द फॉर्मूला, फिर आप फॉर्मूला मेंशन करते हो, देन यू फाइंड आउट द सोल्यूशन, देन यू राइट डाउन द आंसर. सो व्हाट आर यू डूइंग? If you are finding out what is written in the question, what are the problems you have, what are the things given in the question, with the help of that you are going to solve that, means you are decomposing your problem. So in maths we are doing it. Thanks for giving me the answer 216, Arav. Thank you very much. Then English, writing a story. Can you write a story in 1 second? आप लिख सकते हो कि 1 मिनट के अंदर मैंने स्टोरी लिख दी? ठीक है, नहीं लिखोगे ना. फर्स्ट यू कम द कैरेक्टर, आप कैरेक्टर के बारे में सोचोगे, ठीक है. देन द सेटिंग, देन द प्रॉब्लम, देन इवेंट्स, देन एंडिंग. इन सब चीजों के बारे में आपकी इंग्लिश की टीचर आपको प्रोबेबली हमेशा ये एक पाथ देती है कि अगर आपको एक स्टोरी लिखनी है तो यू मस्ट हैव ऑल दी स्मॉल टास्क इन बिटवीन. कि उसका कैरेक्टर के बारे में सोचो, क्या प्रॉब्लम वो कैरेक्टर फेस कर रहा है, उसको कैसे वो सॉल्व कर रहा है, एंड देन इन एंडिंग यू आर गिविंग सम मोरल वैल्यूज टू the person who is reading the story if you are creating a story for that. So in English also we are using this is decomposition, so we are using computational thinking in the English subject also. Fine. Then let's move to the science. Digestive system. Food travels step by step from mouth to food pipe, then stomach, then intestine. So what they're doing, we are complex system understand step by step. Similarly, in social science, what is happening if we have to understand about a state, like for example I have taken example of Rajasthan. So first we will find out its location, where it is located, what are the culture, what are the festivals they are celebrating, what are the foods, what are the staple food there, what type of climate is there. Oh, okay, Rehan is saying that I am from Rajasthan. Very good. फाइन. सो फेस्टिवल दे सेलिब्रेट, द क्लाइमेट दे आर डूइंग. सो हमने भी क्या किया, हमने एक स्टेट को पार्ट्स में डिवाइड कर दिया इफ वी वांट टू नो इट बेटर, कि उसका लोकेशन क्या है, कल्चर क्या है. समटाइम्स लोकेशन से ही हम उसके क्लाइमेट का पता लगा सकते हैं, उसके फूड का पता लगा सकते हैं. ये जब हम उसको ब्रेक डाउन करते हैं प्रॉब्लम, तो पता चलता है कि एक प्रॉब्लम से दूसरी प्रॉब्लम हमारी सॉल्व हो गई. हम उस एक छोटे से टास्क से दूसरा टास्क हमारा सॉल्व हो गया. तो इस तरीके से हम ब्रेक डाउन कर देते हैं प्रॉब्लम को. सो डीकॉम्पोजिशन वी आर यूजिंग इन साइंस ऑल्सो, एंड वी आर यूजिंग इन SST also or social science also. Let's move further. Then arts, music, sports. Again we are using decomposition here. Suppose we have to draw a house. So you cannot draw a house. We don't magically create the whole picture. अब मैजिकली नहीं, आपने बस ब्रश यूं वाइप आउट किया, जैसे अभी कुछ रील्स वगैरह में दिखाते हैं कि ऐसे आपने वाइप आउट किया और सब कुछ ड्रॉ हो गया. बट इन रियल लाइफ डजंट हैपन. इफ यू आर गोइंग टू ड्रॉ अ हाउस, यू हैव टू ड्रॉ द वॉल्स फर्स्ट, देन रूफ, देन डोर, विंडोज. आप छोटे 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 पार्ट्स पे काम करोगे, एंड देन वी ड्रॉ वन पार्ट एट अ टाइम, एंड देन it becomes a complete picture. So again, we have to decompose this, and then we'll be able to create a good art. Then music, lyrics, tune, rhythm, and combine them on, then we will get a final song. Same thing happens with the sports. Tell me one thing in Right India, yes or no? You all are, I think, involved in the IPL right now. Yes or no? सब देख रहे हैं IPL? No. Say Shiva is saying yes, Maheshwari, Bhavisha, Deepika, yes, 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 yes. So everybody is watching IPL. So give me an answer here. A cricket team can win if they don't have a good batsman. A cricket team cannot win using only batting also. कि हमारी बैटिंग अच्छी है हम तो जीत जाएंगे. स्कूल में भी अगर आप लोग क्रिकेट मैच ऑर्गेनाइज करते हो तो क्या क्या देखते हो, यही देखते हो ना कि वी नीड अ गुड बैटर, वी नीड अ गुड बॉलिंग bowler in the way, fielding must be very good, the strategies that we are using, it should be nice, है ना. तो क्रिकेट मैच के लिए भी प्लानिंग, यस, रियाब इज सेइंग कि दैट वी दे नीड बेटर प्लानिंग एंड स्ट्रैटेजी. तो जब तक हमारे पास प्लानिंग नहीं होगी, स्ट्रैटेजी नहीं होगी, वी वॉन्ट बी वी वॉन्ट बी एबल टू डू दैट. ठीक है, फाइन. सो AI is a, sorry, I would say, sorry. So they need batting, bowling, fielding, strategy, everything work together, and only then we will be able to do the computational thinking, use computational thinking to achieve all these things. So I have proved it. Yes or no? Just write it down. Yes, if I have proved that all of them. Computational thinking is all of them. So from now onwards, take out these things from your mind that computational thinking is something related to computer coding. No, it's all over. We are using CT in daily life also. Fine. CT is everywhere. Google Maps use it, video games use it, YouTube use it, robot use it. In fact, many of the apps you see every day are built using computational thinking. Yes, Anika Sharma is saying, what about English grammar topics? Yes, आप उसमें भी आपको मैम एक स्टेप बाय स्टेप प्रोसेस बताती हैं, रूल्स बताते हैं कि आपको ये रूल्स फॉलो करने हैं. अगर आपको ग्रामर सीखना है तो कुछ पैटर्न्स आपको बताए जाते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर हम A and D, आपको बताया जाता है ना कि A and D कहाँ लगता है. So what is that? That is a pattern recognition. कि आप पैटर्न को रिकॉग्नाइज करते हो और वहां पर आप सीख रहे हो, तो वी आर यूजिंग दैट. तो इंग्लिश में भी हम इस तरीके से कहीं ना कहीं कोई ना कोई स्टेप आपको यूज कर रहे हैं. अभी हमने क्या किया, सिर्फ डीकॉम्पोजिशन के बारे में, वहां पर ही हमने प्रूफ कर दिया कि इट इज यूज्ड एवरीवेयर. बट इन द नेक्स्ट सेशन, इन द फ्यूचर सेशन, व्हेन यू विल लर्न अबाउट द अदर पिलर्स, आप और ज्यादा अप्रिशिएट करोगे कॉम्पिटिशनल थिंकिंग को. कि हमारी कॉम्पिटिशनल थिंकिंग इज यूज्ड almost in all the apps, in all the subjects, and in the daily life also. So solving problems step by step is in an organized and a proper way, in a smart way, is all about computational thinking. Fine. Then we all know about the AI. हमने स्कूल में सबने AI के बारे में पढ़ा हुआ है. So AI is also using computational thinking. Why CBSE is saying to learn the computational thinking? क्योंकि they want us to make the future creators. जब हम computational thinking को structurally समझ जाएंगे, we can create AI, we can create other robots and things so that we can train them well. Fine. So same way, if I'm talking about here, a self-driving car has one big job, they have to drive. So for driving, they have to detect roads. They have to drive safely. सबसे बड़ा काम तो यही है कि उसको सेफली हमें ड्राइव करना है. बट कैन इट डू एवरीथिंग एट वंस? सब कुछ एक साथ तो नहीं कर सकते ना. सो ही हैज टू डिवाइड देयर things. He has to break down the text. He has to read the signals using the sensors, detect roads, कहाँ पर roads हैं, find directions, exactly like decomposition. So they are using the decomposition there also. We are going to perform a decomposition game here, and you are really going to enjoy it. But first, let me make you understand what about all about this game is. I'll show you this game on the screen. Then Abhilasha ma'am will share a link with you. Open that link from your system or laptop or computer or smartphone, whatever you are using right now, and play that game. So what you need to do when working on a project, we know that use decomposition to divide a big task into smaller and manageable tasks. So मैंने आपको क्या दिया मेरे गेम में क्या है? You will get these 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 and beyond these blocks. आप इसके साथ आपका क्या होगा? आपको मैच करना होगा. पॉसिबल मैचेस क्या होंगे? फॉर एग्जाम्पल देर इज अ बर्थडे पार्टी. सो बर्थडे पार्टी का डिकम्पोजिशन क्या होगा? कैन यू टेल मी इन चैट? इफ आई सपोज से कि यू हैव टू ऑर्गेनाइज अ बर्थडे पार्टी. अगर मैं बोलूं आपको कि आपको एक बर्थडे पार्टी ऑर्गेनाइज करनी है, तो इसका डिकम्पोजिशन करो. ओके, डेकोरेशन, फाइन. मेक अ लिस्ट ऑफ गेस्ट, फूड, कुकिंग, फाइनल द डेट, केक ऑर्डर करो, वेरी गुड. डेकोरेशन, इनविटेशन, डेकोरेशंस, वेन्यू, ओके. कॉल गेस्ट, ड्रिंक्स, बैलून्स, ड्रेसिंग्स, list of all the arrangements, final date and invitation. Fine. So you have already decomposed it. So this is the match you have to do. So behind this blocks, somewhere it is written birthday party, and there is a possible match over there like cake, guest, decoration. तो आपको उस तरीके से उसमें मैप करना है. Now how will you respond it to me? You will open the link. Fine. आप उसमें वो गेम प्ले करेंगे, एंड आफ्टर कंप्लीटिंग द गेम जो भी आपका टाइमिंग्स आएगा, वो टाइमिंग्स आप मुझे चैट में लिख के दोगे कि आपको कितना टाइम लगा टू सॉल्व दैट पजल और टू सॉल्व प्ले दैट गेम. ठीक है, लेट मी शो यू दिस गेम टू यू फर्स्ट. दिस इज द वे you have to play. You just click on it and then all these blocks will appear on your screen and they will just mixed it up. And for example, if I'll click on 5, so it is showing research, material and presentation. So this is something related to, I think, school project. So let me quickly open 10. Oh, this is not matching. So let me try once more. This is story writing. So I'll open 7. No, this is not matching. So this is the way you have to match the pairs. Fine. So now you can start the game. Very nice. Very nice. So basically this challenge you have completed and you are decomposition expert now officially. Clap for yourself. Very nice. So you are decomposition expert. Now you know how to decompose the problem. You know how we can solve the problems very well. Fine. Now let's have a rapid fire quiz which will help us to just go through what we have done in today's class. So if you are writing the answer, just write it down 1B, if 1C, 1A, whatever you want to write it down. Don't write it down in the way like B, C, A. So I won't be able to find it out कि आप किसका answer दे रहे हो. So my first question in the quiz is breaking a big problem into smaller parts is called. So if your answer is A, so write 1A. So everybody, somebody's writing A, somebody's writing B. Okay, 1A, 1B. Don't write B. Just write it down 1A, 1B, 1C, whatever you want to answer. Okay, yes. So breaking a big problem into smaller part is called decomposition. That was the superhero for us today. Fine, let's move to the next question. Computers solve problem using magic, logic, or guessing. Yashmit is saying 2B, Piyu is saying 2B, Sejal is saying 2B, Atharv is saying 2B, Chandra is saying 2B. Very nice. So no doubt. से कंप्यूटर सॉल्व प्रॉब्लम्स यूजिंग लॉजिक. कोई छड़ी नहीं है मैजिक वाली, सब लॉजिक के साथ है. वेरी नाइस. लेट्स मूव टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. सीटी इज यूज्ड इन एआई, गेम्स, एप्स और ऑल. यस, द आंसर इज 3D, 3D, 3D. एवरीबडी इज राइटिंग. सो ऑल. अच्छा, आज ये सब चीजों को क्लियर हो गया कि सीटी इज यूज्ड एवरीवेयर. नाइस. नेक्स्ट. How does YouTube suggest videos you may like? It reads your mind. It uses patterns in your choice. It asks your friend, or it guesses randomly. So I'm getting the answers. Gitika, from Gitika, Taksh, Ananya, Aditya, Athar, Renuka, Muskan, Bhishma. So the answer is B. Fourth answer is B. It uses patterns in your choices. So last but not the least, which of these people use computational thinking? Scientists, games, game designers और teachers. कौन यूज करता है? C, games, game designer. Yes, all of them. मैंने ये जान के कंफ्यूज करने के लिए आपको ये क्वेश्चन डाला था. Yes, Trisha is saying all of them. कि तो आपको मुझे क्वेश्चन करना चाहिए कि मैम आपने बोला कि कॉम्पिटेशनल थिंकिंग सब यूज करते हैं, बट आपने ऐसे क्यों किया? नहीं. यस, अब नाउ एवरीबडी इज राइटिंग ऑल ऑफ देम. वेरी गुड. फाइन. So what we have learned today in this two code, what we have learned today you discovered something very important. What computational thinking means, that computational thinking is not a computer chapter anymore. It's for everyone. It is a life skill. You use it in school, you use it in home, use it at home, you use it while playing, and even AI uses it. So in our next session we will explore the remaining 3 pillars, including decomposition also, and discover even more ways to smart thinker and solve problems. So thank you for being an active participant today.